I wanted to make a little cookie of some kind, but no chocolate chips. Can you believe that? So I'm going to make what is called a Russian tea cake. To begin with, I have 2 sticks of softened, salted butter, and I'm just going to put that, and I'm going to mix that up real good. Okay, and that has beat up. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar. And I'm going to add the whole thing in the bottom of that. Turn this on low and mix that. Now you'll have to scrape around the edge every now and then and kind of get that all down in there. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of vanilla. And I have here 2 1/4 cups of plain flour. And I'm just going to put in about 1/3 of it. Mix that up. Another 1/3. And I'm doing this because otherwise all of the flour floats up and you have a cloud of flour and a mess on your cabinet. I sure hope Michael's watching that. And there's the rest. Now once it's all blended together good and you no longer see flour, we're going to add 3/4 cups of chopped nuts. And you can use any kind of nuts that you want. Today I'm using pecans because that's what I happen to have in my cabinet. Okay, it looks like those are pretty even in there. I'm just going to scrape that down. I'm going to make these into little balls and place them on an ungreased cookie sheet. Okay, we're going to get just enough to make about a 1-inch ball. Roll those up. And we want to put them about 1 inch apart. Okay, my oven is set at 400. I'm going to put these into the oven and let them cook anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now these are going to come out and they're going to be really light in color. But if you pick it up, you can see on the bottom, they're done. We're going to set these on a screen, let them cool, and then we're going to roll them once they've cooled in powdered sugar. Okay, these have cooled. Just going to pick them up off of that, kind of roll that in my powdered sugar. Put them over here to finish cooling. I'm going to finish the rest of them, and then Scott and I are going to have some hot chocolate and a cookie. Give this recipe a try. I think you'll like it. Thanks for watching.